Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Liska Herlis Oktapianti, and today I would like to present a topic that is very important for English learners, which is public speaking in English foreign language. Teaching students to speak with confidence. In this presentation, I will explain why public speaking matters, the challenge students face, and several practical strategies teachers can use to help students become confident English speakers. Now we will go to the outline. The first is empowering voice, public speaking for English foreign language students. And the second, why public speaking matters for English foreign language learners. The third, common challenge for English foreign language students. The fourth, strategies creating a supportive classroom. The fifth, teaching simple speech structure. The sixth, refining delivery and reducing anxiety. The seventh, learning activities from several practice. And the eighth, engaging classroom activities. The ninth, assessing public speaking skill, and the last conclusion, empowering future speakers. Now we go to the empowering voice public speaking for English foreign language students. Public speaking is not just about standing in front of a crowd. Public speaking is a vital skill for English language learners, fostering clear communication and boosting confidence. Through this presentation, we will see how public speaking can empower English foreign language students to use English more naturally and bravely. This explores its importance, common challenge, and practical strategies for teachers to empower their students. Now we go to the why public speaking matters for English foreign language learners. Public speaking is very useful for English foreign language learners for several reasons. First, it's well communication skill. Students learn to express opinions, tell stories, and explain ideas in a clear way. The second, it improves language ability. Through public speaking, learners practice vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and fluency. The third, it develops confidence. Many students are afraid of speaking English, but with regular practice, they become braver and more comfortable. Finally, it is useful for real life. Students will use public speaking skill in presentation, job interview, meeting, and many other situations. Now we go to the common challenge for English foreign language students. Even though public speaking is important, many English foreign language students face challenges. Some students struggle with language problems, such as limited vocabulary, difficulty organizing ideas, pronunciation issue, or grammar mistake. Other face psychological barriers like nervousness, fear of making mistake, low self-confidence, or shyness. And some students simple lack experience. They rarely practice speaking, so they feel unprepared. This challenge so why teachers need a great supportive and encouraging learners environment. Now we go to the creating a supportive classroom. To help student success, teacher must create a classroom atmosphere where students feel safe to speak. This includes encourage and respecting every student, avoid judgment, and showing appreciation for their efforts. Teachers should also provide clear example of good public speaking, such as eye contact, appreciate gesture, clear organization, and confident delivery. Finally, students need step-by-step practice. They can start with fire activities, then small group, and later move to longer presentation. This gradual process help reduce anxiety. And then we go to the simple speech structure. Students often feel nervous because they don't know how to organize their ideas. Simple structures can help them speak more clearly. The first structure is introduction, body, and conclusion, which is the basic way to deliver any speech. And the second structure is PREP method. The first point, state your main idea. The second is the reason, explain why. The second is example, give an example. And the last is the point, repeat your main point. This easy framework helps students speak more confident and stay organized. And then we go to deliver and reducing anxiety. Good delivery is also important in public speaking. Teacher can train students to use clear articulation, strategic pauses, control speed, confident eye contact, and positive body language. And then the reduce anxiety. To reduce anxiety, teacher can allow rehearsal time. Teach deep breathing technique, encourage positive self-talk, and prize effort, not only accuracy. This small action can make a big difference in student confidence. Now, leveraging technology for practice. As we know that technology is a great tool for public speaking practice. Students can record themselves on their phone to evaluate their performance. They can use presentation tools like PowerPoint or maybe Canva to support their speeches with visual. There are also speaking applications that help students practice English with AI basic feedback. Technology makes best practice more accessible and engaging. And then we go to the engaging classroom activities. To make public speaking enjoyable, teacher can use a variety of activities such as show and tell, where students bring an item and explain its story. And then the second is storytelling, using picture or personal experiences. And the third is short speeches, such as 1 minute talk. And the third is group presentation with reduced pressure. And the last is impromptu speeches, where students speak for about 30 seconds to random topic. These activities help students build confidence through fun and meaningful practice. And then we go to the assessing public speaking skill. Assessment helps students understand their strengths and areas to improve. They can access content, whether ideas are clear and organized and relevant information. And the second is the language, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. The third is delivery, confident, body language, and voice clarity. And the last is overall communication, whether the audience understand the message. The goal is not perfection, but growth and improvement. Now the conclusion. The last is the conclusion, empowering future speech. Public speaking is powerful tool in English foreign language learner. It helps students improve their communication skill, language ability, and self-confidence. By creating a supportive environment, teaching simple structures, and providing many opportunities to practice, teacher can truly empower students to speak English confidently and effectively. I believe that with consistent guidance and encouragement, every student can become a confident English speaker. And don't forget the key takeaway: improve communication, language, and confidence, address fear, pronunciation, and vocabulary challenge, teachers, support model, and cycle practice, use simple structure and engaging creativity. Eleanor Roosevelt said that you gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in your face. You are able to say to yourself, I have lived through this hard. I can take the next thing that comes along. Maybe enough from me. And the last I say you, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.